Morning traders, and this is your Dax day trade setup for today. So the level I was looking for a long entry didn't really materialize, we just fell short. But I think the important thing here is that we have yet another green day. Okay, we've moved up pretty close to this previous gap, and I'm still of the opinion we have a good move to the upside brewing here, but we obviously are looking for an entry. And at this stage, I don't really see an entry. If you look at the 3 hour, you can see everything's grouped to the upside, all the oscillators grouped to the upside. And I still would like to see some kind of a pullback just to test the previous breakout. No, this hasn't really been tested. So I'm waiting for the pullback first before I get in long. I'm not interested in chasing along when we extend it like this. Okay, moving on to the hour. You'll see we had a pretty good grouping there. Sort of gap down, rally down to the bottom. Didn't quite get to the level that I would have expected us to get to. Can't even tell you why the buyer steps in there. Obviously, it was a bit of an ambush. So you've probably had short players that were playing to take profit around here at 12.459, and then the bull stepped in to try and trigger stops. Okay. So anyway, nevertheless, it was a move to the upside, although messy with all these tails to the upside, tails to the downside, lots of barbed wire. Not something I want to chase at the moment. Really want to see a bit of a pullback or more consolidation. Okay, and just going to get to the half hour just in case there's some diversions I'm missing. Nothing really. Picture is exactly the same. Trend is up, but I'm looking for some kind of consolidation or some kind of a pullback. I'm ideally looking for my oscillators just to ease off a bit and come on and pick up a level. And the levels I'm really looking for is not this one. I'm really interested in 12.459 or 12.460. Okay, if we don't get that, then I could look at a top, but I don't see a top anywhere here. I don't see something I need to pay attention to apart from this area where we are now. You can see there's quite a bit of interaction here on the daily, so that would make sense, and that's right where we are now. Okay, but not really a long-term move, so I'm a little bit short of it. So this area up here of, what's this, 12.584, that's kind of the area that I'd be watching to see what price does. If we get some kind of negative price action there, a tight stop, and it's short from there. And ideally, you want to see a move down at the bottom here, but you're going to have to be careful because the trend is up. So just do the following. That's your trend line. So you'd expect from there a bounce back to the trend line, take profit, and that does line up with some previous breakouts over there. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm expecting. DAX futures right now is pretty flat, but that's exactly the scenario that I'm expecting to play out. Sort of hit this level here, which is 12.584. That's a pretty significant level, and then anticipates a move down. It would be nice to get a move to the bottom, but it may only just come back down to 12.544 before another attempt at this level. Okay, that is the trend at the moment, so we need to go with the trend. But yeah, I'd love to see a deeper pullback because that would give us a really good entry. Okay, anyway guys, that's my view for today. Not much, I'm afraid, but all the markets are looking a little bit confused. Anyway, whatever you do, keep those stops really tight and be careful of chasing longs here. Wait for some kind of a pullback or a decent setup that's going to allow you to get long. Okay. Anyway guys, that's all for today. Hope it helps. Cheers for now.